Happy birthday, Opa!
Happy birthday, Opa!
Happy birthday, Opa!
Happy birthday, Opa!
I wish you good health, physically, mentally, spiritually, and may you grow as a good boy.
You grow up matakot kay Lord and you should respect mommy and daddy.
Thank you everyone sa mga pumunta. And kay Nolan Nauka, happy birthday anak. I love you so much.